All right, so when I bought this car, it was basically in pieces, and I did not have the proper filler neck. So I think this is off a Scion XB or something. That was the only one that had it not on the radiator that we could find in a junkyard. So we just put that in there to make it work. But I just picked this one up off eBay. It's obviously used, but I'm gonna throw it on there. Hopefully that'll make my life easier when I bleed the system. It's super hard to bleed it with this, obviously. There's really no way to hold it good. It's also rubbing everywhere. So, and this is just jury rigged right now because it came like that. So I want to get that back in and get it to how it should be. And it leaks coolant all over the place when I go to fill it. So fix that. So hopefully that'll help with my coolant getting everywhere, and I can bleed it properly this time. All right, I have no idea how this is supposed to be routed, kind of. It looks like it fits in like that. So we will try that. See what it looks like. I also don't know how this, the overflow, I need to figure out how to route that. It came with like a MR2 overflow hose, like the real one, the right one. The other one, like I said, was just from that Scion. So hopefully this one will work a little bit better. That already looks so much better. It looks much cleaner. I know it's all white. I might pull it off and later on and paint it black. It's all kind of melted, but it's all I could find. I've been looking for one of these for almost a month now. All right, this is tight now. Pop this back on. Be good to go. All right, here's the one that came with. It's all funky looking, so we'll figure out how this fits in here. Looks like that. I'm just afraid of it rubbing. Looks like even this one rubbed. It looks like it rubs on the top of the strut tower. But that looks like how it goes, so pop this on and yeah, that looks like it. All right, perfect. All right, we got everything back in there. The overflow hose went in really nicely. No problems with it. It's not warped or anything. This is melted a little bit inside of here, but that's okay. As long as it works. I wanted the car to look as original as possible for some car shows I want to be going to, hopefully in the springtime, maybe even some this year, but we will see. I'm glad I got that in there. That's one less part I need to worry about and hunt down, so it's getting closer and closer to what I want it to be.